Let me show you how I was able to generate Christmas pictures just like the ones you're seeing on my screen right now without using any prompt at all. So most of these pictures that you see on the internet, they always have a prompt, and sometimes it doesn't even give you what you want. So you keep prompting, you keep adding one or two things, and you just aren't getting what you want, right? But in this video, you're going to learn how I was able to generate pictures like this without writing any single prompt. Just take a look at how they look. Can you see? You see how amazing this picture are? So realistic and so simple. I just love how simple these particular pictures are. So I'm going to show you how to do that right in this video. So the first thing you want to do is to come to this particular platform, which is called FlexClip. So FlexClip is an amazing platform. It's one of the platform I recently got used to. I've been using them for quite some time now, and I thought to share with you guys. So when you come here, you have to create an account with them, and please note that you will not be able to use this using your phone. Okay, you can't really access the website very well using your phone, so you need to use it on your browser on your laptop. That's the only way you can really enjoy it. That's the only way you can actually get good result when you're trying to create stuff like this. So when you come to the platform flexclip.com slash editor, when you come in, you log in, or you create your free account and you log in, you're going to come to the section where you have your AI tools. Can you see right here? You come to your AI tools, and then you're going to scroll down to where you have AI headshot. Okay, so you come to where you have your AI headshot generator. You see something like this. So I'm going to click on AI headshot, and then you allow it to load. So once it's finished loading, you see your personalized headshot solutions here, as you can see right now. So I'm going to select this option for Christmas. So either I select adult or I select kids. So this particular picture you're seeing here, I did for kid, and I also did for adult, and you see how lovely it came out, right? So let's go back now. So I'm going to head over here to say I want to do for adult. I'm going to select the adult you're seeing here, and I'm going to click on continue. So next thing I want to do is to select, is it for female or for male? So I'm going to say female. I'm going to say continue, and then right here I'm going to select the pattern that I want. All right, so let's say for example I've used this particular pattern, I don't want to use it again. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to untick this particular one, and let's go for other ones that I haven't explored. So I'm going to select this one. I'll go again to this one. I'm going to get for this one. I'm going to get for this other one you're seeing right here, this, and let's see which other one again we can try out. Okay, let's say I want to go for this. Right now, if I've selected the patterns that I want, the next thing I want to do is to click on continue. So they're going to tell you the kind of photo you should upload. So you have to make sure that the photo you're uploading is one that is showing your face correctly, so that when it's generating, it can know what your face looks like, so it can give you almost exactly what you look like, right? So I'm going to come here and say upload. So I'll go to my browser, and I'm going to select my picture, that is a picture of me or the person I'm trying to generate this particular picture for. Okay, so I think I've seen a picture of me. So I'm going to say open, so you can see it right here, and I'm going to confirm. So make sure the picture you're uploading, like I said before, is really a good photo example, which is this particular one they shoot to you here. So you wait for it to finish analyzing. If it's done, you're going to click on generate. So just give it a few minutes, and it will be done generating your headshot. So while we are waiting for this particular one to generate, this is another set I generated again yesterday. You can see how amazing they look. This is another particular set I generated using this particular platform. You see how amazing it looks. I love it so much, so much. Now the amazing thing I love about this platform is that you do not need to write any form of script. Okay, you don't need to write any form of script or prompts to get what you want. You just need to put in the right thing, just select the one you want, and you are good to go, right? So I love it so much. That's really cool. So let me see. I'm just going to go ahead and download them. Okay, while we're waiting for the other ones to finish generating. So you can see. Okay guys, so we're done generating these particular pictures. You can see how amazing it's looking right now. So I'm just going to click here and you see how they look, right? Let's download them to my device. I love this particular platform so much. So tell me if you're going to try it out. Just tell me in the comment section if you're going to try out this particular platform. So you see, I'm downloading them right away because I cannot wait to use them on my social media platform. All right, so I'm downloading them now, downloading all of them, all of them, all of them. I love it so much. Wow, I love how it was able to maintain my face. This look almost exactly like my face. This is almost 99%. I love it so much, so much. The face consistency is so amazing. I love it, to be honest. So you see, this is how to generate these kind of Christmas pictures using this platform. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.